Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the AOAV remote control made by Auto Openers. The AOAV remote control works with a number of different brands, including Avanti, Superlift, Centurion and Stoddart. The AOAV remote control has 4 buttons, which means you can program this into 4 different garage door or gate openers. It also has a 2-year warranty, which is better than genuine. Auto Openers is an Australian-owned manufacturer who manufacture a range of high-quality aftermarket remote controls. The AOAV remote control does not contain a button battery, which means it's fully compliant with all of the button battery laws that were introduced in June 2022. To see the full range of garage door openers this remote control is compatible with, head on over to our website. We have all of the models listed for your convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about the AOAV remote control, head on over to our website. You can send us an email or give us a call. See you next time.